Welcome to Forever Local, where no matter the borders, the country, or the culture, I'm Forever Local and I'm taking you with me. We're still in Tanzania in this series, and we're just going to tiptoe through Tanzania in this video. Sit tight, grab some water, maybe some popcorn, and even some wine. If you're a first-time visitor, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're a returning family member, hey, fam bam, hold tight, here it goes. So in this clip, I'm going across the bridge. I had nothing planned for that time frame. I saw a bunch of guys on motos and asked one if he would take me across the bridge, and he did.
The bridge. What's connecting the other side of the bridge?
Did y'all hear that? He just completely ignored what I asked, or maybe he didn't hear me. He was just like, look, foreigner, lady, it's a new bridge. Just hold tight. Looking back in these video clips, it seems very odd, as if the videos are out of sequence. One side looks like it's sunsetting, the other side is really sunny, but some kind of way they were sequenced in my phone this way, and so that's how you all are getting them. I didn't want to not put them in order that they were in my phone, because then it may seem more crazy. Anyway, hope you enjoy. So I'm still on the same bike ride. I am looping around from where I was over the bridge and back to my starting point. There's billboards, there's streets, there's pavement, there's cars. I think the artist's name is Diamond Platinum, and he's from Tanzania. Please, local people, Dar es Salaam people, Tanzania people, don't beat me up for messing your man name up. I don't know. There he is. He's on all of the Pepsi billboards where he was at that time. And then we're looping back around. So this is the bridge that I came across. I had driven past it quite a bit before, but never been across it. So today was the day. A new check-in day and a new spot. Isn't the view just beautiful? Look at that African sky, that East African sky, overlooking the Indian Ocean. You get a chance to see I can't think of the name of it. I want to say it's Mozambique, but that makes me think of Ghana. Listen, I don't remember, but this is downtown Dar. You're looking at a lot of rooftops. So what I discovered during this trip is that, listen, your girl is a penthouse queen, okay? I like a good view. No matter where I am, I like a good view. And so every time I'm looking at places, I'm considering that. I use this site. They ask for everything and my firstborn's blood. The places that I kept were food places that I went to, so they were okay. And then we're rolling to my next place that I stayed, and it was right off the beach, but it backed a wooded area like a jungle, and there were monkeys. So I did not open up my windows or doors because I was told they will come in. They know how to move the latches on the door and open up the screens. So I didn't want any problems, none. The monkeys minding their business in their living room, and I'm just allowed to, occupy a piece of the corner, okay? But look at all of that green. So that's full of wildlife back there. And so no telling how many of their homies will come out at any given second. So I just kept my concentration on the front, the beach area, and we was good. Monkey see, monkey do. Listen, let them be. Don't y'all go feeding them monkeys trying to leave food out for them. Ain't a good thing. This is a hotel in Mbezi Beach. I stayed there when I would come and leave. I stayed there a few times. It was okay, not oceanfront, but it was right across the road, so it worked. If anybody wants the information, drop a comment. Now, this is a place that I stayed only one night. It was a little bit on the pricey side, but, it's oceanfront. And so you see me taking a stroll along their walkway. They actually have a walking trail along the entire length of the property, which I love because at this section it really wasn't a solid beachfront. It was sectioned in, I guess, these barrier areas. It kind of rhymes, but listen, y'all know what I'm saying. Enjoy the view. Yes, I am. I'm a goofball too. If you've had the pleasure of watching any of my other videos, you probably figured the beach is my favorite. I love the serene, just nature of the beach. I love long walks on the beach. I like short walks to the bank too, but that ain't what we talking about right now. Long walks on the beach are my favorite. I could spend hours there, and it really doesn't matter the weather, as long as it's not cold. This is Mbezi Beach. I could walk knee-high in water for about 2.5 hours, which is a good workout for me, and I loved it. Anyway, bye.
2-minute walk. Water like just changed colors. I don't know if it was because I was behind that barrier like thing. Now I'm not. The water has changed. The waves have changed.
For anyone who enjoys to consume sea moss, East Africa is the place to go. I see it more, I've seen it more there than I have on the western coast of West Africa. I haven't been all over, but in the places that I have been, I see a lot more of it in East Africa. Purple, green, yellow, gold, all of it. I swear at times I felt like I was in the picture in a magazine on National Geographic within their magazine, but I was living it and I can't explain it. And I hope someone that's watching this has had this kind of experience wherever you visited in the world. It's a beautiful thing. I remember thinking, is this moving at the bottom? I mean, I know the water is moving, but is the sand moving? Am I gonna sink?
How clear the water is? It's like super clear.
It's like a hot bath. It's still hot. It's still hot to the touch, but not so you're not burning. That's what just water. And you go out, and then some men coming with some fishing that's wrapping around them. Trying to
Look, I don't know if you can see them. Oh my God.
Y'all, I really felt like I was in National Geographic. Like, I felt like I was the one filming for them. Look! It's like fishermen. I think at this point, this may be maybe my first week going into my second full week being in Dar at this time. And I'm just embracing everything. I'm having like this kid-like pleasure, joy of seeing every little thing. These birds, seagulls, whatever they are. I'm like fascinated.
They come down to the They're getting fish out of the water. So much of I don't know why this is so fascinating.
Well, fam, there are more of Tanzania videos to come. For now, this is Peace Out from Forever Local. No matter the borders, country, or the culture, peace.